This is the quick unboxing and first boot of the Arturia Keylab Essential MK361 version. This is the packaging. All the products in this video have been ordered from Amazon and the purchase links are provided in the pinned comment and also in the description below. Check them out if you would like to purchase these items. Arturia is famous for their minimal and earth-conscious packaging. The package came bubble wrapped and with a fragile sticker from Amazon. And I got it at a 7,000 rupee discount using card offers and also the Freedom sale. This is the MK3 white version of the 61 key model. There is also a black version, but usually it is not easily available and also doesn't attract many offers. This is how the unboxed keyboard looks. It has plastic protection on top and foam protection beneath the keys. This new keyboard comes with the brand new screen, which is a first in this price category. It comes with newly designed pads, transport controls, new screen, contextual buttons and 9 faders and knobs, and 4 wood inserts on the sides, and the rear has sustained expression, MIDI out and USB-C ports and the Arturia branding as well. The screen also gets 4 contextual buttons which control different parameters depending on the page that is open on the DAW. The pitch bend and the modulation wheel feel extremely solid. Peeling off the plastic cover from above the keys, and there is also some foam beneath the keys to protect it during transportation. This is the Arturia branded USB-C to USB-A cable. This is the first boot video. The link for the MacBook is also given in the description and pinned comment. This is how it looks with all the lights on. If you switch it to Vegas mode, you will see the colorful lights, or if you like, you can switch it over to the power saver mode, which will turn off all the lights after inactivity. This is the rear look of the keyboard. Arturia has really upgraded their game when it comes to DAW control with this update. The keys are spring action and feel slightly more firmer than the Novation MK4 launch key. The faders and knobs are quite solid and of very high quality. The pads are much more sensitive, and the pitch bend and the modulation wheel have a very good and solid feel. A quick Audio-Technica AT-H M50X studio monitoring headphones unboxing. Many people go for the M20 version if they are budget conscious, but if your budget allows it, I would advise you to go for the M50X, which is a much more solid and capable studio monitoring headphones for your home studio. All the purchase links for the products shown in this video are provided in the pinned comment and the description below. Please click on them if you would like to buy them.